How to fix Snapchat login error on your Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Snapchat when it is not being able to log in. So sometimes when you try to log into your Snapchat account, you simply won't be able to log in. So in this video, I'll show you what may be the reasons for this problem and the solutions to it. So sometimes when you try to log in, you simply won't be able to log in, and it may be due to various reasons. The first one may be due to your internet connection. So if you are not being able to log into your Snapchat account, and if you are on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, and if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi, as Snapchat is an app which requires a stable internet connection to work. Now if it still doesn't work, it may be something wrong with the app, so simply go to your Play Store and then search for Snapchat. Now check whether your app is updated or not, as sometimes if the app is not updated, some features might be restricted, which may be causing your Snapchat login error. Now once your app is updated, try logging in again, and if you are still not being able to log in, go to your settings. After that, scroll down and then go to apps. Now scroll all the way down until you see your Snapchat. Tap on it and then scroll down and then go to storage. Now try clearing both your cache memory as well as the entire data of your Snapchat app, and once you've done that, your app will be as good as new, and once you try logging into your account, you will be able to log in. But in case you are still not being able to log in, what you can do as a final resort is simply uninstall your Snapchat application, turn off your phone. After that, turn it on and then install the Snapchat application. Now once you've done that, you'll surely be able to log into your Snapchat account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.